Welcome to Adia's Seller App tutorial. This tutorial will guide you through the steps for sellers to onboard themselves on the MSN Seller App and configure their seller account on the app. First, if you're a new user, you'll need to enter your email ID. After entering the OTP sent to your email, click Continue. The system checks whether the user already exists. If the user is new, the onboarding process begins. As a new seller, you'll need to provide your store and seller information. Next, you'll be asked to fill in your GST details. Here, enter your GST number and click Verify. The system will check if your GST number is valid through a verification service. After verifying the GST number, select your business type. The authorized ID proof and signature fields are optional and can be filled later. However, the GST number is mandatory at the time of onboarding. You can also provide your banking information, such as current account details. Once done, click Go to Dashboard. Now, your onboarding process is completed, and you're taken to the dashboard. Now we need to configure your seller account. If some fields were missed during the onboarding process, your store will remain inactive. When you hover over the store status, you'll see the missing fields that need to be completed for activation. Fill in the store minimum order value, store description, and upload your store logo. Once you've completed the missing details, the store will be activated. Now, let's fill in the remaining details, such as store contact information, seller time slots, and bank details. When you fill in your bank details, the system will verify your bank account. You have up to 3 chances to provide the correct details. If the verification fails, you can update the bank details and try again. Next, you'll need to provide your PAN number and business details. Just like GST, PAN details will be verified in real time. Once all business and tax details are filled and verified, your store is fully active. Now, let's set up your warehouse and serviceability details. You need to create a warehouse by providing the warehouse address, contact person, and GST number. Once that's done, configure the warehouse working hours and click Save. Next, let's configure the shipping services for specific regions. Select the domain and regions you want to serve, enter shipping details. Now, let's set up your shipping serviceability. Begin by selecting the shipping regions, shipping type, category, transit time, and shipping fees. Once all the details are filled, click Save to confirm. If you are using ONDC shipping, you do not need to mention the charges or shipping time. That's it. You've successfully completed the seller onboarding and setup process on your Adia Seller App. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team.